fascinating fractal pattern right here on the stock to flow that you might really like what I'm about to share with you, as well as the number one thing people get wrong about the stock to flow model. It's time for you to buckle up. If you're new here, my name is Steve. I'm going to help you get one step closer to your financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button right now. My first question to you is, are you in crypto for financial freedom? Do you wish you could make more profits in crypto? And do you want to recover your losses? If your answer is yes, we have our biggest Black Friday, Cyber Monday blowout sale on our legendary courses in game-changing indicators. These alone have helped so many people just like you go from where you are now to having a lot of success, and you're going to be next. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com right now. The link is down below. It's in the description. It's the pinned comment, and this is what you've been waiting for a very long time. 75% off on our all-in-one bundle. This is the most popular. You sign up right here. You can read more about it right here. Get alerts right to your phone. Start winning more. Start recovering your losses. Get one step closer to financial freedom. Keep in mind, we have payment plans. If this is a little bit out of your price range, we have payment plans. If you're somebody in need, maybe you're a single mom, a single dad, a veteran, somebody who is retired, somebody who got laid off because of crypto, somebody who's in a less fortunate country, I want to help you. This is the holiday season. Send me an email. My email is info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. Send me an email right now with the subject line, please help, okay? I'm going to be selecting a bunch of folks to help them out. This is the holidays. This is a time to give back. So send me an email if you're somebody in that situation, and cryptocrewuniversity.com. This is the moment you've been waiting for. I'll see you on the inside. We're going to be covering the stock to flow model. A lot of you have heard about it, but again, there's a major thing that everyone gets wrong about this model that we're going to talk about in a second. But basically, there's two parts, right? There's the part up here, and then there's the part down here. We're going to talk about the part down here first because it's pretty fascinating, and you're probably going to like what I'm about to share with you. But the part down here, basically, there's this median line, right? When you're below this, it's in green. When you're above it, it's in red. Very simple. However, when you're below it to a certain point, we had a few points in history that are similar to what we've just experienced here back in July, getting down to this kind of one area, right? You can see on the screen right now in -1. That means that we're pretty far away from where we're supposed to be in terms of the stock to flow. So in order to understand this, let me break down the stock to flow in a really simple way. This is used with stuff like gold and silver and all that, but it basically measures the stock and the flow. The stock is like how much is there right now, and the flow is like how much is being mined. As you know, Bitcoin is constantly being mined, so it measures that. It basically gives us a mathematical formula of what a projection of the Bitcoin price could be based on this model that's been used for a very long time with gold and silver and other things like that. Now that you understand that, when we're this far down, it basically means like, hey, we're pretty far away from where we're supposed to be. However, we've been in that scenario before. If you rewind the clock back over here to the same time period, July-ish 2017, we were in that zone. We were just at about that -1 area. And that's the fractal pattern I want to hone in on today, because this is pretty fascinating. Look at where we went from this kind of -1 area. You can see where we were in our trajectory. We had already been in the bull market. The bull market was just really starting to heat up. We were getting back closer to this line that we're supposed to be. You can see that this line without the colors, this is where our price is supposed to hone in on that. That's supposed to be kind of our median line, which we'll get to in a moment. But back then in 2017, we were down there at that -1. We were in the midst of a bull market, and we were battling, and we were moving into the colors of like this yellowish greenish area, but still below where we're supposed to be. Look at today. We're at that -1 area. We're in the midst of a bull market. We're starting to battle back to that level that we're supposed to be at. By the way, we're in that same color spec, this greenish yellowish area, and the bull market is in full effect. But price is going pretty slow. We were just in a pretty bad spot. Back here, if you rewind the clock to this time period, there was a lot of fear in the markets at that time also. And you may say, well, how is there a lot of fear during that time period? Price was rising, people are going crazy. No, price had fallen, if you remember, from like this 3,000 to this 1,008, and people freaked out. There was a lot of pandemonium. Everybody said that the bull market was over, that was it, and the market, kind of was quiet for a little while. Pretty similar to now. Bitcoin went on a nice rally, people got really excited, and then prices plummeted all the way back down to this 30 area, and a lot of people are saying, hey, this is it. But what I want to hone in on is this similarity. Right now, we're trying to battle back up to this median line. At the same time, we're battling back up to this line. It's a fairly similar feeling to this 2017 when people were doubting Bitcoin. People were drinking the herd juice and getting really caught off guard when the rally started to really pick up and the bull market went into full effect and we were in complete parabolic moves to the upside. Caught a lot of people off guard. What I don't want to happen to you is don't be caught off guard. Don't drink the herd juice. Stay level-headed. Look at the facts. Make sound decisions based on facts, and don't use your emotion. But I like to see what I'm seeing here is we just had that -1, which we saw in that same time period back in 2017, but we also saw it back here in June 2012. And you can see what happened there is we were below where we were supposed to be, and then, we took off like a rocket ship. Now, I want to share with you one of the most widely incorrect things that people make with the stock to flow model. There's a lot of different models, and this is from Plan B. Shout out to Plan B. You can see created by Plan B. This is on Look Into Bitcoin. You can find this chart for free. I am not paid for this. I don't take paid ads. We never will take paid ads. Our videos are not sponsored by somebody that we have to talk about and tell you and lie about. We don't take paid ads. This is something that I think is very valuable, and I wanted to bring it to your attention. So this line that you see here, most people say, hey, this is supposed to be the high. This is where we're supposed to get to as the high. And there's a lot of different models that Plan B has. And one of the biggest things people get wrong about his models when he draws these lines, right? Those are the averages, meaning this price of 85,000 in this model, people say, oh, that's supposed to be the high. No. This is supposed to be the average, meaning the price is going to go way above here in the bull market and way below in the bear market, and the average will be 85 for this model, the average. So that's the biggest thing people get wrong about these models is they think this is the high. No, that's the average. What's going to be interesting over the coming weeks and months is how we interact with this level, this 80 level, which by the way is the top of our 3-box theory. Okay, once we get above that, generally we go parabolic. We go parabolic here, and here. Anytime we get above here. So again, it coincides with our 3-box theory, which is just based on the math of the past all-time high. So no motion there. Now, it's going to be very interesting also as we reach here, and at the same time the color spectrums, and at the same time the price action. So it's going to be very, very interesting. I want you to hone in on that. If you're a student of mine, write a comment down below right now. How did my courses help you? How did my indicators help you? I want you to inspire somebody else that's watching, because you, like them, it took you a long time to sign up, and once you did, you wish you signed up sooner. We've got 75% off right now for the Black Friday, Cyber Monday. It's getting close to ending. You're going to take action right now. It's the link down in the description. I'll pin it as the comment. It'll be linked inside the video, cryptocrewuniversity.com. You can see the link right here. Game-changing courses. You're in crypto because you want financial freedom. I'm going to help you win more, recover your losses, get one step closer to financial freedom. That's what you're going to get in world-class customer service. So sign up to the all-in-one. This is the most popular. Sign up button is right here. You can read more about it here. You can get the courses by itself. Keep in mind, we have payment plans. If you click here to sign up, it'll take you to the shopping cart and you can go to payment plans if it's a little bit too much to pay all in one. And by the way, if payment plans are still a little bit too much and you think you're somebody deserving, single mom, single dad, veteran, somebody who's retired, somebody who is drastically affected by COVID or lives in a less fortunate country, send me an email, info@cryptocrewuniversity.com with the subject, please help. This is the holidays. I'm going to help people in need. If you think you're somebody in need, send me that email right now. Don't wait another second. Okay, I'll see you on the inside, and I'll see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.